Good evening, my beauties, and how are you tonight? I have a brand new unboxing, a new subscription, and it is called simply The Box, and it is by Fashionista. So, this is a monthly subscription, and it has full-size products, I think 6 full-size products, and let's see what we've got. Okay, so the box, it's very pretty. On the top there's a card, looks like this. A box, and on the top is the card, and on the back it tells you what's in the box, which we like to find out on our own, don't we? Okay, and it has pretty paper, and it's very black, very black. Okay, so for the first product, let's see what we got here. The very first product is, it says Soleil, let your hair shine. Oh, it's for hair. Like hair products. Miracle Protector Spray. Let's see if it's a miracle. See how it does. Oh, that is nice. Oh, wow. I absolutely love the smell of this. Oh, wow. That is... That's nice. Ooh. I like that. I like that a lot. Cool. Oh, wow. I wish you could smell that. What a beautiful scent. So that is the Soleil Miracle Protector Spray. That is the first item, and according to the card, it is $35 for the full bottle. Next, we have a box here, the Green Company, and reusable cotton rounds. Reusable and washable. Let's take a peek at these. Let's see. Reusable. The Green Co. reusable makeup remover pads, $13.95 for the box. Ooh. Comes in its own little baggie. Like this. Cool. And open this up, and it's got these little rounds, makeup remover rounds. Pretty cool. Yeah. And then you can wash them. Very useful. Very good. Okay, and then next, what do we have next? We got black confetti. Okay, let's see. Oh, what's this? Matte lipstick and lip liner nude. Right there, lipstick and liner duo. That sounds nice. I like matching lipstick and liner because I have some liners. I tend not to use them only because usually I can't find match, you know. I've done different ones that I could make match, but it's just easier when they match, when they come together like this. That's nice, and this is what they look like. And let's see what color we got here. Put it up my hand. That's a nice soft color. I like that. It's soft. I'm gonna have to try that. I already have lipstick on, but I'll definitely have to try that. That's nice. And the lipstick goes with it. It's very matte. It's gonna need some shimmer or shine with it, or lip gloss. But I like it. I still like it. So that's cool. That's let's see. Lipstick liner duo, $25. Richly pigmented matte lipstick and coordinating lip liner, formulated with nourishing ingredients such as sunflower seed oil and jojoba, cruelty-free. And let's keep digging. What's this? Julep. When pencil met gel. Interesting. It looks like this. Electric teal shimmer. Okay, so it's a teal eyeliner. Don't usually get very gutsy when it comes to eyeliners. I tend to just like black. Let's see how this looks. Oh, there you go. It is teal. It's a pretty teal color. Might be able to be used as, different. You could use it in different ways, not just as an eyeliner, but, also around. You can actually use it with your shadows and different ideas, which is good. Ooh, and we have a palette. Cleo Noir palette. And that's what it looks like. And ooh, even we got shimmery on the inside. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's nice. Cleo Noir palette. 4-shade eyeshadow palette, $32. Pigmented, blendable, full spectrum. Creamy, rich formula that stays put without the mess of excess fallout. Cruelty-free. That's nice. That's going with the rest of my eyeshadow palettes. I'm getting quite a collection. That's okay. I like to try different things. I wasn't really too bold today, but still not bad. Still fun to try. And this, what do we have here? Baton. Baton. $32. Ready, Set, Jet. Official Baton. $32. One stick, multiple benefits. This on-the-go multitasking stick has no rules, with interchangeable ends for a customizable experience. Vegan and cruelty-free. It looks like a baton. Baton. And I guess you open it like, oh, okay. Interesting. And then there's 2 of these. Not really sure how you use them, but there's 2 of these. This one says Face Balm on it. And this one says Skin Face Scrub. Cool. And then there's the middle. Okay. I'll have to figure those out at some point. Those are pretty good. That's a good little box. The box. It's just the box by Fashionista. Fashionista.com. Like this hair stuff. Ooh, I could still smell it. It smells so good. That is amazing. All this stuff, everything in here is, I love it. It's definitely usable in many ways, and it's great. I'll have to figure out this Baton, but I'll figure it out. Well, that's all that's in the box, other than a whole heck of a lot of black paper. And that can go awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. That was my first experience with the box, and I would say that that is very worth it. That's a lot of stuff, and it's good stuff. It's all full size, and I'll have to look up, yeah. Total retail value $149.95 for all this, and I think well, I enjoyed that. Did you? I will put all the information down below. Please subscribe if you like my videos. I will be trying out more stuff. I've got an order of products, makeup products coming from Wish that I'm going to try to see. I actually have one already. I got one of them already. It's right here. I haven't opened it yet. So I want to wait till they all come in, and then I'm going to try them all together. I tried to get everything. So it may take a while for them all to come in. This is a liquid eyeliner. But we'll see. Anything that you want me to try out, just let me know in the comments and we'll see what we can do. It doesn't necessarily have to be makeup. I do enjoy makeup, and I do enjoy beauty products and hair products and facial masks, but I like a lot of different things. So, and I'm willing to try out a lot of stuff. There's kitchenware and stuff I still want to try out. Anyway, I want everybody to have a really good evening, okay? And you stay beautiful.